Hi, I'm Conrad Mast, Director of Installation Support here at ProVia. I want to take a look in this video at the Endure Aspect slider window and how to remove the sash. First thing you're going to want to do, obviously, is you're going to unlock the window and you're going to take the sash and you're going to slide it so that you're a point beyond the anti-lift block in the head. At that point in time, you're going to lift the sash straight up, bring the bottom in and down and away, and then just set the sash aside in a safe location. And you're going to do the same with the outer sash. You're going to slide it over beyond the anti-lift block and then raise it up into the head, bring the bottom in and down and away. To replace, you're going to do that same thing, except in reverse. You're going to stick the top of the sash up into the head. And again, you're going to have to do that, making sure you're clear of the anti-lift block, and then slide it over into place. And then the same for the inside sash. Lift it up, drop it down into place, slide it over, and then just check it to make sure everything functions well. Thank you so much for watching this video. For more information, call our customer service at 1-800-669-4711.